So good morning guys, karon na tong topic is user-defined functions and methods. So user-defined functions and methods is a block of codes that programming creates to perform a specific task. So ang user-defined function those guys is ang programmer ang nag-create sa ani para mas maka-perform kag specific task. So they allow you to break down complex problem into smaller, manageable parts, making the code easier to read, maintain, and use. Functions are methods improve the organizational of your codes and help help you help reduce redundancy. So, si user defined is makatabang siya since ang complex nga mga problem is i-manage bitaw nimo siya pero before nimo siya i-manage is i-go on the flow magyapon nimo siya like i-small pa nimo siya para kapag magkuha na ka sa complex is dili na siya lisod para sa imo kay kabalo naman kaunsaon since imo na siyang ginagmay then hantod sa nasabtan nimo siya based sa imong ginabuhat kay in coding guys need nimo nga mas mailan na sila mga codes para if naay mga complex nga problem na makahan is dali na lang para sa imo ma-solve. Mao ning tabang po ning user defined or kaning mga i-create sa programmer para mas makuan better siya mapadali. Dili ka maglisod og code because naa naman ning ilang mga blocks of codes tas kung saon pag small para ma-maintain nimo then para unsaon ang pagsabot, di ba? Ngana lang siya guys. Makatabang kayo siya sa imo since kung gusto gid nimo makabalo og coding. So, function versus methods. Unsa gid ay kalahian ni functions ug methods guys? So, the primary difference between functions and methods lies in their context. Our function is a block of code that perform a specific task and can be called independently. So, si function daw is maka-perform siya kuan specific task, guys. So, unsa gid ay si methods? Sige. A methods, on the other hand, is similar to a function. Pareha ra siya pero nagyapon siya kaning kalahian guys ni si method ug si functions. But it is associated with object or class in object-oriented programming. So like OPP guys, ang OPP dai stands siya sa object-oriented programming. So while methods are tightly coupled with object, functions stand alone and do not require the object to operate. So si functions guys is dili na required siya ang object to para maka-operate siya while si methods is meron siyang kuan siya sa objects like nakakumpul din siya like kaning combination bitaw guys. So si methods is naka-combine na siya sa object para mas magkuan siya mag-function siya bitaw. While si function gid is dili na niya need ang object to operate kay maka-standalone naman siya. So, mao din na lang kalahian ni function ug methods. So, syntax of function using Python language. So, in a Python guys is ginagamit mas dali siya karon. So, in Python, a function is defined using the diff keyword followed by the function name. Its parameters that called inside the function perform the task and result it return using the return keyword. So, si Python guys is mas dali gid siya language karon kay di na nimo need nga ibutang pa tong mga string, integers, boolean or mga float. Yan bitaw guys. Dili na ka need open og scanner, di na ka-need mag-open og random para ani. So ang kang kuan na lang is ang kang Python na lang is print diff kato biton diff para makita ng mga parameter na guys. So ang kay Python is dali ra gyud siya gamiton. Dali ra kay gamiton sa Python since ang Python is tamang print ra ka, print tapos enter key para mas magawas bitaw siya imong mo gawas imong output para sa imong code. So, syntax of method Python gihapon atong gamiton guys. Since atong gigamit sa isa ka page is Python. So, diri gyapon sa kaning slide is Python gyapon. A method defined with a class and behaves similar to a function. However, it always includes a self-parameter, which refers to the instance of object. This allows the method to access and modify the object's attributes. So, for example guys, kaning class calculator na nadre sa down sa kaning Python na So, diff multiply close parenthesis self then self A and B. So, return A then asterisk B. So, in this example guys, you multiply is a method that belongs to the calculator class and multiplies two numbers. Method must be called an instance of class, allowing them to work with the object data. So, imo siyang multiply guys. Kaning diff is mara kaning open og kuan din. Imong gihatagan siya og argument the more than return A at B. So, mo na ang imong i-multiply. So, nibalik ko siya guys. Calling a function involves providing the appropriate arguments and invoking by its name. The function add number is called with the argument 3 and 4 and return to the result which is stored in the result variable. The result is printed the console. So, result add numbers which is si 3 o si 4. Then, giprint din mo siya, print result output 7. So, ang gibutang naman dere is giprint na mo result as gipa butang naman siya sa output. Diba guys? So, kung ganyan mo, mas sayon si Python kasi magprint ra ka, magbutang ra ka og kuan kung unsay mo i-print din dali ra siya guys. Kay si result diba na siya sulod nga katong add numbers nga 3 ug 4. Then sa second kung ano po nimo is giprint lang nimo siya. So giprint lang nimo siya. So mo print ra po to siya guys. Giprint ra mo sulod kang result. Calling methods. Methods are called an object and the syntax is similar to calling a function. You use the object name followed by a dot and then the method name as its argument. In this case, we first create the instances of calculator class and then call these multiply methods. That instance, the result is the product of 3 and 4 which is 12. So, ganina guys. Tatong kuan ganina nga si calculator class nga si 3 o 4 result. So, napo siya 3. Calculator nga nakasod siya sa calc, then result calculate comma then multiply 3 o 4, then giprint gyapon na mo ang result which is C12. Kay gi-multiply man nimo ganina kay imo ra man to siyang gi-add since gi-add na to nimo siya, so ang result niya is 7. Then diri kay imo man siyang gi-multiply, so nahimo siyang 12. So, benefits of using functions and methods. There are several advantages to using functions and methods in programming. Reusability is a key benefit once a function or method is written. It can be used multiple times throughout the program without rewriting the code. Modularity. allows complex tasks to be divided into smaller. Kataong ganina guys nga gina. Small pa naman siya para mas ma-manage mo ang complex nga mga problems. More manageable parts making the code easier to maintain. Additionally, readability is improved because function and methods give meaningful names to tasks, making the overall program easier to understand. So, in conclusion, user-defined function and methods are essential tools for writing clean, efficient, and organized code. They improve the readability and maintainability of your program by breaking it down to the smaller, manageable piece. Mastering this concept and crucial for becoming a more effective programmer and writing high quality code. So that's all guys. Thank you.